In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Docusign Clm in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and getting into your account is simple once you know how to do it. First, let's start by heading to the Docusign website. Open up your preferred web browser and in the address bar type in www.docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice that the site prides itself on being a leader in electronic signatures and agreement management. This is where you'll manage all of your important documents securely and efficiently. Now that you're on the Docusign homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is find the Login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed to the login page. It's also helpful to know that if you're ever lost on the site, the homepage is a great starting point to find your way again. Once you've clicked the Login button, you'll be directed to the login page. If this is your first time logging in, make sure you have your credentials handy. This typically consists of your email address and password associated with your Docusign account. Enter your email address in the provided field. This is usually the email you used when you created your account. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. It's crucial at this step to ensure you've typed everything correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off unless needed. If you've forgotten your password at any point, you can click the Forgot Password link. Docusign will guide you through the steps to securely reset it, ensuring you can regain access to your account without any hassle. Upon successfully entering both your email and password, hit the Login button to proceed. You'll be redirected to your Docusign Clm dashboard. This is where you can start managing your documents, send agreements for signature, track the status of your pending agreements, and much more. Remember, logging in is your key to utilizing the full suite of Docusign's features. Make sure to log out of your account when you're done if you're using a shared or public computer. This way you can keep your documents and information secure. So there you have it, a quick guide on logging into Docusign Clm. Happy signing, and if you have any further questions or need more help, feel free to reach out in the comments section below or check the Docusign support page for more detailed assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.